What's up, YouTube? Today's May 21st, and I'm going to be reviewing the trades that I took today. So coming into the day, my bias was bearish. If we look right here on the 1 hour price, just inversed this big 1 hour bearish gap right here. This was an hour before market open. We inversed it right here. So my overall bias was bearish, but we did have relative equal highs to the upside. And we also had an untapped 1 hour bearish gap right above those equal highs. So I wanted these highs to be taken out before I took a short to the downside, but I ended up taking a long right here, which was a pretty bad trade. Right after market open, price inversed this gap to the upside right here, and it was also a 2-minute, but the 2-minute didn't inverse at the same time, and I just took it on the 1-minute. And yeah, this was a pretty bad trade because we didn't really sweep out any liquidity to the downside. We left relative equal lows over here, and price just wasn't delivering out of anything. So yeah, this was a pretty bad trade, and also the risk to reward wasn't that good. But in lifetime, I just saw the momentum and I saw how big the candle was, so I thought we would at least hit the relative equal highs, but we just didn't, and this ended up being a stop out. But this was a small loss. I think this was an $80 loss. And then price started to chop up, and then we got a little AMD play right here. We started to accumulate, then we manipulated, and then got some distribution. That's a pretty bad drawing right there, but you guys know what I'm trying to say. And yeah, I was looking for an entry off of this 2-minute gap right here, these two connected 2 minutes, but then price came back up, re-manipulated this high, and then tapped into this 1 hour BPR up here, this BPR right here. And I was going to take this 1-minute gap right here, all these connected 1-minute gaps. I was going to take a short off of here, but I just didn't like how we were chopping up. But the entry candle was good, but the candle right after it was a weird random candle. This looked like a news candle in lifetime, how fast it wicked up and then came back down. So I just waited for the safer entry, which was this 2-minute down here. And if we play through, as you can see, we got the 2-minute right here. We got a pretty nice entry candle, but my entry ended up getting heavily skewed. I was supposed to get in right here, but my entry was actually like down here. And the original target was this little trendline liquidity on the 1-minute. This was the full TP, but since my entry was so bad, I held for this low down here. And yeah, this was a quick 1-to-1. I got all out right there. And yeah, this was the play. I ended up taking a short off of these two connected 2-minute gaps. This was also a 3-minute gap, but the 2-minute inversed first, so I just took that one. And yeah, I still think price is going to come down to this 1 hour low since we inversed this 1 hour bearish gap. I still think we're going to come down here. And yeah, let me just show you guys the P&L real quick. $206 win, so my account's looking better. But yeah, that's going to be it for me today. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.